Electron affinity is attraction of an electron. It attracts, one electron is attracted, then it is electron affinity. Now next is electronegativity. Electronegativity is attraction of electrons. This is attraction of electron. This is attraction of electrons. This attraction of electrons is in a covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed between two nonmetals. Two nonmetals. For example, hydrogen and chlorine. For example, hydrogen is taken, chlorine is taken. In hydrogen, it has 1 electron in the last shell, and chlorine is having 7 electrons in the last shell. Chlorine is having 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the shared pair of it, this is a shared pair of electron, and this is taken, attracted. This is attracted towards chlorine because chlorine is more electronegative. This is more electronegative. Because it is more electronegative, so what is happening? It is attracting the electron, attracting shared pair of electron. So electronegativity is, it is the attraction of electrons but in a covalent bond. Covalent bond is between two nonmetals. Now next is non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. Non-metallic character is again attraction of electron. Attraction of electron. Non-metals like potassium, sodium, these are metals. Non-metals like any non-metal, if you take for example chlorine is a non-metal, and chlorine has the tendency to attract electron. Chlorine has the tendency to attract electron. So this becomes a non-metallic trait. So here in electron affinity, you see there is attraction of electron. In electron negativity, you see there is attraction of electron. And here in non-metallic, again you see there is attraction of electron. So electron affinity is related to attraction of electron. Electron negativity is related to attraction of electrons in a covalent bond, but it is also related to attraction of electrons. Non-metallic character is also attraction of electron. So this attraction of electron is going to decrease in a group. It is, these all are going to electron affinity. Electron affinity, electron affinity or electron negativity or non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. These all three are going to decrease in a group. They decrease in a group. Why do they decrease in a group? Because the first point is the distance of the nucleus from the last shell, that is radius, is increasing. Why it is increasing? It is increasing because number of shells is increasing. Because number of shells is increasing, so this distance is increasing. When this distance is increasing, attraction of electrons is decreasing. That is the reason attraction of electron, this is related to attraction of electron, it is decreasing. And these all three terms, electron affinity, electron negativity, non-metallic character, these are related to attraction of electron. That is the reason they decrease in a group. They decrease in a group. And now next is ionization potential. Ionization potential, it is, now let us study ionization potential. Ionization potential. When you talk about this potential word, potential is related to energy. Ionization is to form ion. To form ion or to remove electron from an atom. The energy is required. To remove an electron from an atom, energy is required. That is called ionization potential. For example, sodium is having 1 electron in the last shell. In the first shell it has 2 electrons, then in second it has 8, and in the last shell it has 1 electron. Now it is to be removed. So this removal of electron, when you want to remove the electron, you will need to add some energy. Energy will be required. This energy which is required is called ionization potential. So let us study about ionization potential. If you see in a group, what is happening as you go down the group? The distance is increasing. So distance is increasing and electron attraction is becoming less. So it is very easy for the last electron to be given away. It is very easy for the last electron to be given away. Here it is very easy. Here the distance is less, so attraction is more. So here attraction is more, so energy required here will be more. But in comparison, if you talk about francium, here the distance is more. So the electron energy required to remove the electron will be less. Here the energy will be more. So as you go down the group, energy required will be less. So ionization potential also decreases down a group. IP is the energy required. It also decreases because electron easily moves out. I hope you have understood. Thank you.